Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SMDM to new video of Arduino Programming Series. Here we are learning the Arduino programming from very basic levels to advanced. And this is the 7th tutorial of this series. Today topic is array data type. Array data type is a special type of data type. By using it, you can store multiple data inside a variable. So what is array data type? How you can store multiple data inside a single variable? And what are the syntax? Everything I'll cover in this video. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Suppose guys you have 5 data, you have to store them inside variable. Then how you can do? Int variable 1, then equal the first value, then variable 2, then second value, then variable 3, then third value, variable 4, then fourth value, and last value with last variable. Okay, so by that way you can store this 5 numeric data inside the variable. Just think now you have 100 data to store inside variables. Then you have to write this line for 100 times so that the program will be very large. That time we need help from this array data type. So let's understand the concept of array data type. What is array data type? By using array data type, you can store multiple values inside a single variable. Let's discuss some example of array data type. When you are going to use any array data type, you have to use this open square bracket and close square bracket after the variable. So in my first example, you can see inside this square bracket, I mentioned 4. What does mean? It's mean 4 data can be stored inside this variable x. But on the right hand side, there is no value. So initially this variable x will store 40. In my second example, I didn't mention any number inside this square bracket. But on the right hand side, you can see I mentioned phone number and I have used this curly bracket. So guys, you have to remember when you put any data or any character, you have to use this curly bracket on the right hand side. Okay, and here you can see value 1, then comma, value 2, value 3, value 4, then semicolon. So here Arduino can easily count them and easily can understand there is 4 data. So if you not mention this number of value, that also be okay. In my third example, you can see I have mentioned this 4 inside the square box, as well as I also mention this 4 number of value inside this curly bracket. Okay, so you can write comment like that way for the integer. Let's talk about character. For char, I told in my previous tutorial, you have to use single quotation of each character. Okay, in my first example of character, they are not mentioned any number of value. In my second example, I have mentioned the number of value as well as on the right hand side number of character. So you can also write this program for character by using this double quotation and you just mention the value. In my last example, you can see I have mentioned number of value inside the square bracket and also mention the value or character inside the double quotation on the right hand side. So this all about example of array data type. Let's move on to Arduino programming software and write some program for store multiple data inside a single variable and try to print one data from the array into the serial monitor. So let's see how we can do that. Now guys, I am going to store these 5 numeric values inside a single variable. So the programming code will be int, then the variable name, then square bracket, then equal, then curly bracket, then these 5 values with comma, then close curly bracket, then semicolon. Okay, so by this line, these 5 data or values store inside this variable. Okay, now I want to pin this value into the serial monitor. Is it possible? Yes, it can possible. So what will be the command? I have to first initialize the serial communication. For the serial communication, I have to write this line serial dot begin, then baud rate, semicolon. I have to pin this number, this value into the serial monitor. So what will be the option I have? Here all the value has and particular location number which also called index number. So the index number has started from 0. So for 1 it will be 0, for 2 it will be 1, for 3 it will be 2, for 4 it will be 3, for 5 it will be 4. So index number always start from 0. So here I am going to pin this number 3 into the serial monitor. So what will be the command? Command will be serial dot print. Inside this first bracket you have to mention the variable name and square bracket. So inside this square bracket you have to put the index number. So for 3 what is the index number? Index number will be for 1 index number 0, for 2 index number 1, for 3 the index number will be 2. So here you have to write 2. Okay, let me connect my Arduino board to my PC and upload this program. You have to save this program. Uploading done. Let me open to the serial monitor. Here you can see it is pin 3. Okay, let me try to pin 5. So what will be the index number? For 1 0, for 2 1, for 3 index number is 2, for 4 index number is 3, for 5 index number is 4. So here I have to write 4. Let me again upload this program. Done uploading. Let me open the serial monitor. It is printing 5. Okay, so by this way you can store multiple data inside a single variable and you can pin any data from this array into the serial monitor, or you can access any data into your Arduino programming. Okay, let's see for character. Let's discuss this example for char data type. So here you can see I have stored 4 character inside this variable x and I am going to pin inside the serial monitor. So what will be the index number? Index number for A is 0 and for B it will be 1. So let me type here 1 into the serial pin under the square bracket of x. Let me upload this program and open the serial monitor. So guys, here you can see B is printed. Okay, and now I am going to pin D. So what will be the index number? 0 1 2 3. So it will be 3 for D. Let me re-upload this program to the Arduino board and open the serial monitor. It is printing D. Okay, so by that way you can easily access character data and pin into the serial monitor. Okay, let's talk about string value. So let me pin this sentence into my serial monitor. So what will be the index number here? Index number is 1. So here you have to write 1. Then upload this program to your Arduino board. Uploading done. Let me open the serial monitor. So here you can see it is printing as per the index number 1. Okay, so let me pin this SMDIM. Index number 2. Let me re-upload this program. Uploading done. Open serial monitor and it is printing SMDIM. So hope guys you got a clear picture on this array data type. If still you have any question or any concern, just feel free to ask my comment box. The array data type is the last data type in Arduino programming series. For my next video, I will explain about the function and all about the loops. Hope you are learning from my channel. So please like my channel and share to your friend who are want to know the Arduino programming. And if you are new my channel, then please subscribe my channel. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Let's see you all in the next video.